At Ultralytics, we love AI. We believe in its potential to improve the world and improve the lives of everyone for the better. Over the last several years, we've had the opportunity to collaborate with hundreds of different developers around the world to create YOLO v5, which is now one of the world's most popular tools for vision AI. The world faces many problems today, and we believe AI has the potential to address many of these. We believe that AI should be simple to train, simple to deploy, and should be available to everybody, regardless of background or access to resources. Today, we're launching Ultralytics HUB, our no-code solution to train and deploy AI models. At Ultralytics, we love AI, and above all, we love making it simple. Ultralytics HUB embodies all of this and all of the lessons learned from our experience developing YOLO v5 over the last several years. It's a single place where you can upload data sets, train a model, preview it, export it, and deploy it where you need it in the real world. Ultralytics HUB starts with a dataset. We make it very easy to find existing datasets that you can get started from right away. We have integrations with some of the most popular dataset providers. And of course, if you want to come with your own data, we make that easy also. We help you upload data into our cloud where you can then turn around and visualize it and gain insights into it. Visualizing the data is very important. It helps you catch problems early before you train a model and put that into production. And on the Insights tab, you can gather information about instances, frequency, classes, metrics, and everything that you need really to make sure that you're putting a good data set into the training. So the second step in Ultralytics HUB is training a model. Once you've uploaded a data set, we make it very easy to train on that. You simply select one of the YOLO v5 models to train, you point to a data set and where you want the training to occur. There's two options. The first is Ultralytics Cloud. That's a single click and we train the model for you and let you know when it's done. The second option is bring your own agent. So if you have your own hardware, you can install the Ultralytics PIP package on the hardware, which will act as an agent. It'll be connected to the cloud and it will download models, train them, and send the results back to Ultralytics HUB. This allows great flexibility in terms of where you want your models trained, and it makes it just very, very simple compared to any other solution out there. Once you've successfully trained a model, the third and final step is deployment. Deployment is all about getting your model out into the real world where you actually need to use it. And we make that very simple. First of all, we allow you to preview your model results directly in the browser. You can drag an image that you have locally, you can import something from your camera, or you can use one of the images from your validation set. Once you see results that you like, you can go ahead and export that model to a number of different formats which we support, including TensorFlow, OpenVINO, ONNX, CoreML, Paddle, and several others. If you export to a mobile format like CoreML for iOS or TF Lite for Android, then we allow you to use the Ultralytics app to see those models directly on your device. Once you've done that, we also have the option of deploying to the Ultralytics Cloud using our HUB API. This makes it very simple to build a product with low risk and a minimum of work. We give you an endpoint where you can send images and get results back. So we handle all the scaling and all the hardware requirements. So with all these different deployment destinations, we have everything covered that you might need to get your model out into production and get it working in the real world.